Nobody must enter the forbidden forest.
But what is hidden there? What is hidden there?
Many who went there never returned.
I'll find a cure.
My child, don't worry about me.
I must be brave.
The fruit belongs to me!
No! It will save my mother! You are my hero! Amara saved us!
This update is totally free. When I mean free, it's totally free and accessible, okay? Nobody is going to ask you to subscribe. They give you daily coin you can use to create videos. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I did that movie, how I did that AI animation, okay? I'm going to start with images, how I generated the images and how I was able to make the videos, okay? For those of you on these my channels that don't know how to create your prompt and the right stories, okay, don't worry, I'm going to do a video on that too, on how you can do eye-catching prompts, good stories, and how you can actually make your characters come out the way you want it to come out, okay? But first, before we start the process and all that, before I show you guys the step, I want to also tell you guys that the right indication of your prompt character really matters. Why do I say it really matters? Okay, because some of you always complain that okay, you use the app and it's not giving you what you want. Maybe you want your characters to look pure cartoon, okay, and it's not giving you what you want. Why most of you want your characters to look like human beings, like look real, like when you are watching Nollywood on Netflix, okay? There are still steps you can do that, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys something, okay, just real quick. You can see the first character on my screen. You can see how the character looks. This Pixar 3D animation, that is another thing. So when you are generating your stories, you always try to indicate how your characters will come out, okay? You can see this 3D, this is number one, 3D Pixar animation. You can see the second one, Disney inspired fantasy style. If you want your character Disney style coming out like that, that's how you're going to indicate. Third one, you can see Pixar style. It's still 3D, but you can see full cell there, okay? And you can see the semi-realistic 3D animation. They look like cartoon, but also looks human, you know, just like the one I used, okay, something like that, okay? So we have so many types of AI characters, okay? So if you want to do an African epic movie, just like the other one I did on my video, if you've not seen the video, please go and see the video and take your time to watch the tutorial, okay, so you know how I did that previous video, okay? So if you want your AI characters to look human, either you use photorealistic or ultra realistic, real life African people, cinematic movie quality, natural skin texture, human facial details, professional film lighting, 8K resolution, high detailed live action movie style. You can see they gave us an example there, okay, of a prompt, a photorealistic African epic movie scene, a beautiful young African princess standing in a royal palace courtyard, natural skin, detailed facial features, realistic eyes, traditional African royal attire, cinematic lighting, professional movie camera, ultra detailed live action, and all that. So you can see that was just an example they gave you, okay? So why do I say that? Because most of you will just go to maybe ChatGPT or Google Gemini, whatever app you use to generate your stories. You might just type the stories you want, okay, but you won't tell it to give you the prompts and the kind of characters you want. And it's very wrong, because if you don't do that, your characters will not come out well. Like, they will not come out well. So always indicate you want it to look human, because most times ChatGPT will just put based on say, okay, give me a real life story and all that. They will just give you the story based on how you described it. But when you tell them, okay, help me with the prompt, the dialogue and all that, maybe, you know, all those things, once you put the features there, they know how to put it. You can also tell them, okay, can you be the director and the producer of the movie and all that, okay? It will still come out well. So for those of you that will just scroll, you will scroll to see the name of the app, just to see the practicals. Still come to my comment section and say, we didn't see the app, oh, please can you tell me the app that you use, please, today change. This is new month, okay? Because today I'm going to be explaining things step by step and details. And when I say details, if you watch my tutorial carefully, you won't even miss a step. You will not miss road. You know if you miss road, my darling. So make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe so that whenever I post any tutorial, you'll be the first to get it before those ones that used to scroll and spy get it before you and start the practical before you. Why are you subscribing? So you get notified on time, okay? Subscription is totally free, okay? It's totally free, my darling. If you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this video you will see a bell there. Just click on it. It's totally free, my darling. So without wasting your time, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys, okay? I'm going to be showing you how you can make AI animation like that, okay? Full AI animation, long AI animation, how you can go about it and how it will come out perfectly and beautifully well, okay? And don't worry, I'll see the tutorial on how I used to jam my videos together, okay? That is another tutorial for another day. That's why you should subscribe, so anytime I put any update on this my channel, you'll be the first to get it, okay? So let's go, family. So I already generated my prompt, okay? So we'll be selecting sim 1. So I'll be using Leonardo AI. You see that plus sign that is there? I went ahead to click it. I want to upload a character that I want my prompt to mimic, and that is it. I already generated my picture already. So that's my image. I just went ahead to put my image prompt, okay? Now it's gonna generate, okay? I just put an image prompt because I want my characters to look like that image, okay? It's not actually necessary. If you still insert only your image prompt, my darling, Leonardo AI will still give you what you want, okay? Now this is our result. You can see the image I picked standing among the villagers, okay? I just like the character. I decided to use my own character because I designed it myself. So let's move to the next part, okay? I'll be going back to copy my prompt. Leonardo AI, you see my image is still there. It's not actually necessary if you wish. So I inserted my prompt, okay? So let's generate. I inserted that image there because I actually like the character, okay? I created the character myself. I like the character and I want every prompt, she should be the lead character, okay? It's not actually necessary. They will still give you an image that you like, okay? So you can see my results. So let's go ahead and save it. We move to the next part, the same thing, the same routine. We go back to ChatGPT, okay? Let's go and copy our prompt. Copy. Paste. Generate, my darling. And voila, our image. Save it. So that's the same thing. We go to the next part. We go and copy our image prompt. So let's move to Leonardo AI. You can see I'm still on my free plan. I'm using my free plan to still generate, okay? So paste. So that's our image. You can see what they sent to me. They said this image may contain explicit content, but anyways, I still used it, okay? That's why if you notice in the video, it felt like they changed the girl, but it's fine. They're in the forest. I mean, who knows how many years she has been in the forest? She's bound to grow hairs. So because I value my free coin, okay, that's why I actually used the scene like that, okay. For the scrollers, you won't understand except you carefully watch this my tutorial. Copy. Let's select and delete. Paste our image prompt. Let's be patient, it's generating. Don't forget to log into the account either with your Google, okay, or you create an account with them. And voila, our image. You see how it came out so beautiful, clear, sharp. I actually like the picture quality, okay. That's one good thing about this app, okay. Their picture qualities, their image qualities is top notch. So let's go and bring our images to life. So I'll be using PixVerse AI, okay. You see the way I enlarged it? I enlarged this very well. For those of you that will come to my comment section and say you didn't see the name of the app, even if you have sight problem, you'll be able to see this one. You can see how boldly it is on the screen. You can see I selected my scene 1 image already and my DAO logo, okay. So let's go ahead and create. So while it's creating, don't forget to use my referral code. It's going to be on the description, okay. The description under my video. You check my description, you see the referral code, you use it to log in and you get more coin, okay. So this is how your interface will look like once you click the first one. My subscribers are already familiar with this app, okay, and they know the trick we use to create long videos here. If you don't know the trick, go and watch the last video I did. I gave the trick on how you can do 20 videos to an hour, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. If you doubt me, go and watch my other video. It's on this channel, okay. I posted this yesterday. You can go and watch it, okay.
Nobody must enter the forbidden forest.
But what is hidden there?
Nobody must enter the forbidden forest.
But what is hidden there?
Nobody.
So we move to the next part, okay. Copy our dialog. You can see it's empty, so let's go and select our image. That's our image loading. You can see our image there already, okay. So we'll go ahead to paste our dialog. Then we go ahead to create, okay. So don't forget, okay, use my referral code. And on this app, they give you free credit every day. You can use to generate videos. So we'll go ahead to download our video.
Find a cure.
My child, don't worry about me.
So family, okay, we've downloaded it. We are going to the next part. We select our image, okay. My darling, we paste our dialog. Okay, let's be patient. You can see it's generating. And voila, our video.
I must be brave.
Same thing applies here. We copy our dialog. I selected my image already, okay. So let's go ahead to paste our dialog. Then we create, okay. There are some apps you can actually copy both the image prompt and dialogue, okay? But me, generally, I just feel it's too long for the app, okay? I don't want it to start skipping when it's talking. So that's why I usually select only the dialogue when I use this app, okay?
The fruit belongs to me.
We are going to select our image. Pasting our dialogue. Patiently waiting for our results.
You are my hero. Amara saved us! You are my hero. Amara saved us!
Come back, my darlings. You can see it wasn't even difficult at all. If you paid attention to detail and the process, it's going to be very easy for you because you don't even need much. What do you need? You just need your phone and data, and that is all, okay? So, like I always say, the comment section is for interaction. If you have any questions, just put it down on the comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on the comment section, okay? So don't forget, subscribe, and see you tomorrow or next day. Bye.